In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel a direct debit in the Lloyds Bank app. So you can do that also through the online banking if you want to. So first of all, as you can see, if you want to do it online, you can go and log in into your bank account online and see the list of all your regular payments on your phone, tablet, or web browser. So this is a summary of the steps, then we'll get you through. Then you will have to see how much the last payment was for and when the exact one is due. Then you will have to click on cancel any payments that you don't longer need. You should always tell the company if you are paying, as example, or you're paying if you cancel a direct debit, and if you cancel a direct debit that's due in the next 2 days, it may still leave your account. You'll have to keep that in mind. So if you're on your phone, as example, just go and open the Lloyds Bank. Then you'll have to tap on the account that the direct debits paid from. From the account, you'll have to click on Pay and Transfer, and from there, go to regular payments. You will see basically a list of your active direct debits and any other recurring payments. So find the direct debit that you want to stop, tap it to view more, including the company name, last payment amount, and the next scheduled payment dates. Tap on delete or cancel, depending on the version of the app, then confirm if you want to cancel the direct debit. Once completed, you'll receive a confirmation message that the direct debit has been cancelled. Although the direct debit has been cancelled with your bank, Lloyds recommend that you also contact the company that you're paying to let them know that you've cancelled the payment instruction, as mentioned here. This will help, or this can help prevent billing issues or disputes in the future. So that's basically how you cancel a direct debit with Lloyds Bank. I hope you found this helpful. Thank you for watching and goodbye.